Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed for veterans considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Welcome back. Today we're covering essential cybersecurity tools for beginners. Hands-on experience with the right tools is key to success. Let's dive in. Cybersecurity is all about protecting networks, systems, and data from threats. To do this effectively, you need the right tools to identify, analyze, and mitigate risks. Tools help you monitor systems for vulnerabilities, detect attacks, and even prevent incidents from happening in the first place. Today, I'll introduce you to some of the most common and beginner-friendly tools that you'll likely use as you step into the world of cybersecurity. First up is Nmap. Nmap is a powerful network scanning tool. It allows you to discover devices on a network, identify open ports, and detect services running on those devices. It's essential for network reconnaissance, which is a key skill for anyone working in cybersecurity. Wireshark is a top packet analyzer. It helps monitor network traffic and detect anomalies like cyber attacks or unauthorized access. By understanding the flow of data, you can detect malicious activities such as data breaches, malware communication, and more. Another key tool is Kali Linux. Kali is a Linux distribution specifically built for cybersecurity professionals. It comes preloaded with a wide range of tools for penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and security auditing. As a beginner, you can use Kali to practice ethical hacking in a controlled environment. Key tools include Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities, Burp Suite for web security testing, and Nessus for vulnerability scanning. To gain hands-on experience, set up a virtual lab with VirtualBox or VMware for safe, controlled practice with these cybersecurity tools. You can install Kali Linux in a virtual machine, along with other cybersecurity tools. Practice scanning networks with Nmap, capture packets with Wireshark, and even test vulnerabilities with Metasploit. And you can do this without worrying about causing harm to any real networks. Try Hack the Box and try Hack Me for hands-on labs that simulate real-world cybersecurity scenarios. Perfect for skill building and practical experience. If you're looking for structured training, there are plenty of online courses and platforms to help you master these tools. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer beginner-friendly cybersecurity courses that will walk you through using these tools and understanding the concepts behind them. Hands-on practice builds cybersecurity skills and confidence. Keep learning, experimenting, and refining your expertise for career growth. Find your perfect role by completing a quick survey at mycyberpath.com and kickstart your cyber career. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.